Welcome back to my channel. My name is Beth, and if your first time of coming across, you are welcome. So in this video I'll be talking about the last product I used that cleared my acne. I am so grateful and I'm so happy, like finally we have a clear face. And I'll be talking about how I do use one lotion for 6 months. How do I use it? Is there any rocket science behind it? How do I do my calculations? Because yes, in skincare you have to be wise. If not, you just be spending and spending and spending. So you need to know how to use your products to last you as long as it can. So if you are interested in this topic here right now, stay subscribed, click on the like button, comment on this video, share my videos to others, also watch my other videos. I have lots of amazing videos, and watch my YouTube shorts also. You will definitely be entertained. So if you're interested, keep it locked. So let's start from the last product I used that cleared my face, like the last product, everything I used, and you won't even believe the price. So straight into the video. The first thing I used was, so the number one thing I used, like, though the acne has been clearing, I've been noticing differences and all that, but the thing I used that actually cleared it is Koji Sand soap. Like, that was the soap I used that actually helped me to clear everything. The Koji Sand soap. Then I do lather it on my face for 2 to 3 minutes. After then I wash it off. I use it morning and night, and I use my sunscreen after using the Koji Sand soap because it is very active and you should not use it without using sunscreen. And if you have sensitive skin, you should not even use it at all. Opt for all that soap. So after using my Koji Sand soap, I do follow with my toner, rose water. And the rose water I'm using is this is the Virginia Green Garden rose water. This rose water, I bought it like just by chance. Like, I needed rose water, I said let me get it. I got it and I love it. Like, it is what rose water should be. Like, it is gentle, it is affordable. I got this old bottle for 1,000 naira, and I do use it in, like, I don't use it on cotton pad. I put it in a spray bottle and I spray it all over my face like that. It do help it to just last me for a very long time. So I use it portion by portion. So after using that rose water, I do go ahead with my cleanser. This is the RDL Babyface Facial Cleanser Calamansi Extract for beautiful and younger looking skin. I've known Babyface for a very long time, like for 6 to 8 years now, but I didn't know that it actually contributes to helping me to clear my acne. I've been using other cleansers, expensive cleansers. Like, I've used cleansers of about 10,000 naira before. It did what it can do, but it did not help me as much as I wanted to. So I'm still surprised this one is like, I got this one for 1,000 naira and I really love it. This is the second bottle to third bottle that I am using. So that's the second thing I use after using the rose water. And next I will follow with my serums. Like, these are my holy grails: vitamin C and kojic acid collagen whitening facial serum. Like, these are my holy grails. I do not skip them morning and night. And whenever I use it, my skin just feels so hydrated and plump. It feels so moisturized, and I just don't skip it. And the reason why I use this one is for the collagen, and I said it is rejuvenating system, anti-oxidation and anti-aging, effectively absorb free radicals from the body. I bought this thing not because I wanted all these things. I just wanted something that anti-aging, and kojic acid is a very good brightening agent. So I was already using Koji Sand soap, which the main ingredient is kojic acid, and I am also using this serum, which the main ingredient is kojic acid. So this is, I can say these two are one of the agents that help me brighten my dark under eye and my face up to this extent. So I will not ignore my vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very good brightening agent, and this is the Desire Beauty Skincare Vitamin C Whitening Face Serum. I think there's two of this Desire, but this is the one I'm using, this particular one. So if you want to buy it, I will recommend this particular one. So after using that, I will wait for it to dry a bit, and after that, I don't use any other thing. I just go ahead with my sunscreen, and that's for morning. I go ahead with my sunscreen, and after using my sunscreen, I don't even use powder anymore because I like reapplying my sunscreen, and powder won't, if I use powder, I want to wash my face off, and before reapplying all those products, so I don't use powder again. After using my sunscreen, I just leave my skin. Sometimes it do appear oily like you're seeing right now. I like it like that. I will just blot it off with blot paper and reapply my sunscreen. So that's for morning routine. But for night routine, I follow all these steps up to the serum level. Like after using my serum night routine, I go ahead with my Madam White face cream. After using the Madam White face cream, then I will go ahead and use my spot treatment, which is the Keratin dark spot corrector, and which should not be used for a very long time. I have a video about this topic I'm mentioning right now, so you can check it out, just in case you are not, like, you don't know about that video. That's why I'm making this video again. So I'll put a link in the description box how I use this at night and how I use it in the morning. So this is everything that helped me up to this level right now. This face you're seeing right now, like this glow you're seeing right now, are from all these products, and they are not even up to 10,000 naira. Like, you can check my video about 20k skincare budget. I mentioned everything, the price in that video. I will also put the link in the description box so you can check it. Like, these are the last things, I won't say weird because I'm still using them, and I am not going to stop using them. The only thing I stop using at the moment is the Koji Sanso, because you should not use it for a very long time. So these are the things that are helping me, like right now. Like, see the face, like it is God's doing. Like, I'm so happy right now. So if you are looking for something to clear your acne affordable, then you can try all these products I just mentioned. Like, I can swear on them, like, they work. If you are consistent with them, they work. Just be consistent. So now let's follow up with how to use your lotion to last you 6 months. So this is the lotion I'm using, the Cindella whitening lotion. I'm swinging with my lotion, pink. So this is the lotion I'm using presently, and this lotion will last me till December. It is not brag, it is what I've been doing. So how did I do it that this lotion will last me up to December? So this is the lotion. This is what I did. I premixed this with the Cindella whitening oil. Can you see? Like the Cindella whitening oil vitamin C, and this is about 250 ml, and this is 500 ml. So after premixing it, I add a lot of lotion. I also premixed it with others which I already mentioned in my Cindella review video. I'll put a review in the description box. Like, there is a lot of video for you to check just to catch up with all these things I am mentioning. So after premixing them, I had a lot. I had about 750 ml, and this bottle of whitish white lotion is 250 ml. So I share it into two. This is 500 ml, this is 250 ml. I've not even started. You can see it's still very full. Like, I've not started using this one at all. This is the one I'm using. This one is up to this level right now, and after using this one, I am going to be using this one. Like, the way this lotion is going, it is even going to be enough for me till January. So like that is what I did. So now about the application. After bathing, do not let the water on your body to dry up completely before you apply your lotion. And one thing about lotion is measurement. Like, I go like this. Like, after putting this, I can say, okay, this is what I'm going to be using for my whole body. and that's what I use. As long as there is still water on your body, it will be enough. Like, yes, I am slim. I am not going to generalize that. I am just saying that you can also use that strategy, like, okay, this is what I'm going to be using for my whole body, and you're going to be using that for your. So make sure your body is still wet before you do all this. If your body is already dry, then it won't be enough. But when your body is still wet, then it should be enough. Like, and this lotion is very, very, like, well saturated. Like, a little goes a long way. If you use small now, you will see your body will be looking so white, and it takes time before it's absorbed into the skin. And that's to say you've used too much. So if you use too much, it should take time before you can see it is very, very saturated. So it is advisable to just use little. A little goes a long way. So that is what I do. I use small, and I rub it all over my body, and that's just the way I use my lotion for 6 months. And even my serum and every other product, little, like on wet skin. Let me tell you something. If you use too much products on your skin, that's when it will not even work. But if you use little and let your pores absorb them, then that's when they will even work better. So a little goes a long way. I know you want to get rid of that skin issue, but if you use too much products, your skin might not be able to absorb everything, and it might turn to build up of products and acne breakouts and all that. So do not use too much on your face, on your body. A little goes a long way. As long as your body, your face is wet, then a little goes a long way. So you can see it's going to take time. As long as I use little, by now it should have absorbed, and everything would have just disappear and penetrate into my skin. So that is the way you can use your lotion for 6 months and save your coins and buy every other things. So I hope this video is helpful to at least one person out there, and if it is helpful to you, click on the subscribe button and like my video. Comment in the comment section down below, and what topic will you like me to talk about next concerning skin issues? Let me know, and I will definitely treat that topic with honesty. So yeah, I will see you in the very next one. So keep taking care of yourself, keep glowing. Make sure you watch my other videos because you will find them very helpful. I've talked about a lot of things that will be like daily things that disturb us, our skin issues and all that. That's what I discuss in our daily skin issues. And yeah, that'll be all for today's video. I will see you in the very next one. Keep taking care of yourself, stay fabulous, drink enough water, and I will see you in the next. Bye bye.